This is 9-2, operations with radicals. Example 1, add and subtract the expressions with like radicands. Just with the same way with variables, how we can only add like things. So for instance, 10x plus 2y minus 3x. You can only add the x's together. You would get 7x plus 2y. That's what we're looking for in terms of radicals. So we simplify the radicals as best we can. Remember, simplifying radicals is with factor trees. So when I'm looking at the radicals, I see a radical 6 and a radical 3. So the next one's 3 and the other one's 6. So can I simplify radical 6? No, because it breaks down to 2 times 3, so there's no pairs. Can I simplify radical 3? No. So what we do then is we just combine the like terms. So we have 10 of the radical 6's minus 4 of the radical 6's. 10 minus 4 is 6 of those radical 6's. Now I'm going to combine the radical 3's. I have negative 5 radical 3 and 6 radical 3. That gets me positive 1 of those radical 3's. And that's as much as I can do. That's my final answer. In example 2, see my radicals. I have radical 12 and radical 75. I have to see if those can be simplified first. So we do that with a factor tree. So radical 12 is really 3 times 4, 2 times 2. So I have a pair of 2's that can come out. There was already a 3 outside of the radical 12. So when I take that 2 out, it's being multiplied by the 3. That gives me 6, and then the leftovers was 3. Now I'm going to do the same for 5 radical 75. So break down 75, it's 25 times 3, 5 times 5. Here are my prime numbers. I could take out a pair. I have a pair of 5s, so that's going to go on the outside. Remember, it's really the square root of 25, so it's just 1 5 that comes out. And then the 3 remains inside. So on the outside I have 25 from the 5 that was already there, times the 5 we took out. And on the inside we have the leftovers, which is 3. Now we can actually add these, because these are like radicals. So instead it became 6 radical 3, and the 5 radical 75 was really 25 radical 3. And so I can add these radical 3's together. I have 6 of them and 25 of them, which makes 31 radical 3's. And then last we have multiplying radical expressions. So when we multiply, this is like FOIL or double distributing. So I'm going to multiply 3 radical 2 times 4 radical 20. We did this in 9-1 a little bit. So remember that multiplying, you do the outside numbers times the outside numbers and inside times inside. So 3 times 4 is 12. And then radical 2 times 20 is 40. Now I'm doing, let's do it in a different color, 3 radical 2 times radical 8. Well, the 3 is the outside number, and then the inside numbers, 2 times 8 is 16. Next, I'm moving on to the negative 2 radical 5. I'm going to multiply it by 4 radical 20. So outside numbers, negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. Inside numbers, radical 5 times 20 is 100. And then last, we have negative 2 radical 5 times radical 8. Outside numbers is negative 2 times invisible 1, basically. So negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. And inside numbers, 5 times 8 is 40. Now I can simplify all of my radicals. So for 40, I know that can become 8. I'm wondering if I want to combine these first. All right, I'll just do it this way. 40 is 8 times 5. 5 is prime. 8 is 4 times 2. 2 is prime. 4 is 2 times 2. So when you have radical 40, you can take out a 2, and the 10 remains left over inside. So I'm taking out the 2 and multiplying it to the 12, and the 10 is left inside. Same thing with this 40. It's going to be the same numbers we just got. So I could take out a 2, and the 10 will be left inside. So that one's going to become negative 4 radical 10. Okay, This blue one, 3 radical 16. The square root of 16 is 4, so I can just get rid of the radical. It's 4 times 3. So that's 12. And then same thing, radical 100, square root that, that's 10. So 10 times negative 8 is negative 80. I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so then I just want to move this down. Negative 4 radical 10. I'm just dragging that down. Okay, combining like terms, I have a radical 10 and a radical 10, so 24 minus 4 is 20 radical 10. And then 12 and negative 80 is negative 68. And that's my final answer.